I feel like this is the introduction to like a talk show. It turns out. Um, well, this makes me mad that I have to send you a video through YouTube instead of Facebook because there's something wrong with my connection to my computer and Facebook, I guess. But I don't know what you're doing right now, but I want to show you my hair because I dyed it today. I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of red. I wasn't expecting it to come out red. Whatever though, it's different. Um, you should definitely go on Skype or something later so I can see you. um, but I miss you, and I wish so bad you were here because I'm lonely. And we could be getting Wendy's or something right now. Eh. When you call Charles, tell him I say hi, because I miss him too. Alright, well, I'm done with this, because I don't know what else to say, but I miss you. You know who else does? This one, this little creature. Okay, bye, James.